video. For today's video, we have our hair slick back, which can only mean one thing. It's all about the face. Today's video, I'm going to be trying viral TikTok makeup hacks, and I'm so excited. I got a hack for foundation, blush, mascara, how to have your makeup last all day long, for lips, contour, and everything. I'm super excited because I'm going on vacation, so I also want to test out the hack where your makeup lasts all day long, especially with the weather right now because it's so sunny. So let's not waste any time and get into this video. Also, I feel like I've been making almost every single video barefaced and without any makeup on, so we're literally like sisters right now. You guys have seen me barefaced so many times. I feel like you've seen me barefaced more than my boyfriend has seen me barefaced, so that's crazy. For the first makeup hack, it's for the base, and I'm gonna watch the video just so I don't make any mistakes.
Use a setting mist. This stops the product from drying out so you can blend it. But it also infuses the makeup with the setting power of your setting spray. So now I'm going to start blending.
Okay, so this makeup hack is supposed to make your makeup not look cakey and also last all day long, because we're going to set the setting spray before blending in everything, and we're going to start from the lightest to the darkest. I'm going to give credit to any TikToker that I use for the hack, because this is only me testing it out. It's not my video, it's not my idea, so I will be giving credit to anyone and any hack that I use. So she starts out with her foundation and concealer, and she just puts them in polka dots, and I'm gonna just do that right now. And the foundation that I'm using is by Jason Root. I'm actually running out. I'm gonna apply my foundation in dots. Oh my, that is a lot. Let me just, okay, how I would normally do everything. So usually I have foundation everywhere, so I'm just gonna do that. With my concealer, and this is the Full Wear one by L'Oreal. Apply my concealer under my dark circle to dots. Okay, so I have this blush by Rem Beauty, and this one my friend actually gifted it to me. Hi Alice, if you're watching. And I'm just gonna use this one because it's more cream based. Let me apply the blush where I would usually apply blush. Just gonna do, and the reason I do so is so that it can lift my face. But this is how we're looking right now. Before blending in, she says to spray everything. I almost forgot this step, and I'm just gonna start blending. And so she said you could use one brush, the same brush. Just start with the lightest one first and then work your way into the darkest one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually bring this right here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my concealer first and then start blending in my concealer. I also don't want to cover what I'm doing so you guys can see, so I'll actually have my mirror facing down. I was gonna use a separate like blush brush, but I'll just use the same brush for the sake of the hack. So this is how we're looking so far. I'm gonna come up closer for you guys to see. My foundation that I'm using is a little bit lighter than I am because it's summer and it kind of got sunnier out, and I've been going out a lot, so I would have like probably bronzed it up with some contour so that I could match and blend in more as to update my foundation. A couple notes about this hack, and I would say it works because it does not make my face look cakey, and because we set the product before blending it in, it kind of gives it a little bit more coverage because the product is a lot more thicker and it's harder to blend in. I would say though, what I would recommend is using a different brush. You don't have to use the same brush, just in case if you don't want to get blush on your foundation brush or contour on your foundation brush. But it does work, and I feel like my makeup does not look cakey, so I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Wait, a 10 out of 10. So this next makeup hack is for eyes, and this is literally, I've been seeing this makeup hack everywhere, and what she does is she gets eyeliner and she draws it on her inner eyes, and then she rubs it in, and it's supposed to give you that smoky eye look. So let's get into it, because this one I was really excited about, because it's kind of like a hack for anyone that does not know how to do a smoky eye, or for anyone that's a beginner with makeup. So I'm pretty excited because that looks so pretty on her. Let's try out and see if this makeup hack works. I probably should not have applied a base before this one, but I was so excited to try out the base one, but we'll try to not ruin our base when we do this one. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be using is the Neutrogena Kohl eyeliner. It's the smoky Kohl eyeliner, and so I'm gonna, and it's in the color blue. I just wanted to spice things up and have like a little pop of color. She uses a black eyeliner, but I'm gonna be using a blue one because I also have another makeup hack that I'm gonna be showing you guys, and I feel like this would be a look. Hopefully it works out, but let's try this out. And I'm gonna be applying this as close to my eyelashes as possible, so it does not look messy. So let's try this out. Alright. And then we're gonna try under as well, in our waterline as well. We actually, by the end of this whole challenge, we're gonna be having a full face of makeup, literally. And so this is what she does, is she smudges it in. I think I actually have to rub it a little bit more than what I'm doing. Okay, I feel like I'm looking crazy. Is this a look or is it just me? I feel like under my eyes, it looks like I have dark circles. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try and fix this up a little bit. This side looks really good, and this side, it looks like I'm having dark circles. So I'm gonna fix it. I think what I did different on this side was I put it really inside my eyes, like my waterline. And this side, I kind of put it like a little bit under, and I made it a thicker line. So I would recommend thinner line and also just like inside rather than out. This side looks good and then this side looks so bad. So we're just gonna fix that before we move into the next makeup hack. This is not a look. Let me just clean it up. We fixed up the smoky eye a little bit before we move on to the next one. Definitely an 8 out of 10. So I would say it works, but potential of getting messy is literally really high. Oh my, I'm excited about this one. We're gonna be using an eyelash curler and we're gonna be doing it upside down. This is so exciting. Okay. So for this makeup hack, we're going to be using an eyelash curler, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be curling it upside down and then right up. For my right side, I'm going to be using the hack, and then for the left side, I'm going to be using the normal way, which is just eyelash curler upwards. And let's see the difference. So we're going to start with my left side, and I'm just going to be curling it upwards for this one, not with the hack. The mascara that I'm going to be using is the Bambi Eye Mascara. Apply mascara. I'm also just going to apply a little bit on my lower lash. And this is like the side without the hack. That's just how it looks right now. On my right side, I'm going to start with curling it upside down. Oh my. This is like so hard. Next up, we're just going to... Oh my. Okay, so this is how it looks, and then I'm going to apply mascara on the side. Let me do that. Let's see if it does any difference. So this is how it's looking. Do you guys notice any difference? Let me go up front. So this is the side with the hack, and then the side is the one without the hack. Honestly, I noticed like maybe a tiny bit of a difference. I would say it works, but for some reason I don't notice like a big difference like the one that I'm seeing in the video. What do you guys think? Put it in the comment section down below. Do you guys notice any difference with this one? This one's gonna be a maybe. Like I would say I think it works, but it's not that big of a difference. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Did it work? Did it not work? And we'll just move on to the next makeup hack. I almost dropped my mirror. Whoa, that was so close. To watch this a couple of times, and this next hack is for our nose contour. And so what she does is she kind of does a V shape with the nose contour. So let's try that out. So she joins it all the way here, and then on this side as well. So this is how we're looking so far.
For way too long, but I don't wanna come down.
After she does that, she applies powder. Ooh.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down.
I'm obsessed with this nose contour. I think like this is my favorite. My nose looks like those TikTok, like you know, like the Pinterest girls with like the glowy like button up nose. I honestly feel like it's a 10 out of 10 and one of my favorite hacks. So for the next one, it's the brow hack, and for this one we're kind of gonna draw little dots all over our brows and then we're gonna connect the dots. I'm so excited because I can never get my brows to both look the same, so if this could help, this is gonna be a game changer. I'm gonna start off first of all by brushing my brows just to make sure they're all like good and they brushed all the way right here so you guys can see, and then right here, connect them. Okay, I'm not gonna make this one too high, just gonna, and then right here, and it's gonna be right here, and then she just connects the dots.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down.
And then connect this one, and then after that I'm just gonna brush it out to lighten up the lines that I connected. So I'm just gonna clean this up with some concealer just so we can make it work, because I feel like my eyebrows look a little bit bulky because I have bushy eyebrows.
We've been up for way too long.
But this actually works because what it does, it helps you get the shape of the brow and kind of get them looking similar, and it helps you get that arch shape. This is looking a lot more better than I thought. Usually my eyebrows look like cousins, and right now they're looking like sisters. They might as well look like twins right now. Guys, look at this. It helps you get that arch shape, and also it helps both your eyebrows look a lot more similar. I did not expect to love so many of the hacks, but I'm gonna take this. The nose contour and the eyebrow one is my new favorite one, and I think also the base one, but I would change it up a little bit by using a different brush. But so far these hacks are looking crazy. This is good. This is good. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. Big ups to both creators because it's like another creator that came up with this, and I'm gonna put both of them. I'm just gonna go straight into the next one. The next one is to put a champagne color under your waterline rather than a white one if you're brown. So this is more like a brown friendly one, but I honestly feel like it would suit anyone. I do not have any champagne colored eyeliner, so I'm gonna try it out with my palette. I think I'm gonna be using the Maid's A Milking, and this is the Too Faced palette that my bestie got me. It's so cute. I'm just gonna put this under my
Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
And then the last hack will be for the lips. And before we move on to the lips, I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit. Okay, so now that we've done all of that, we're gonna go with the lips. And for the lips, it's such a simple one. And this one, for the lips one, it's not a specific video that I watched. There might be a lot of videos that have this, but I see a lot of YouTubers doing this. So this is more of a hack that's been going on for a while that a lot of people are doing, and I would love to try it on this hack video. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead.
Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
After underlining our lips with brown, I'm gonna take blush, same blush, and then you're gonna just tap that in the middle, like inside your lips. And then we're gonna take a separate brush and we're gonna blend in the underline part so it doesn't look too harsh. I got some lip gloss. We're good. I honestly love this video. There's so many makeup hacks that I will be using, such as the brow one and also the nose contour one. Those were my favorite ones. I'll also be using the setting spray before blending in the products one because I feel like it gave me a little bit more coverage without me having to layer up. So that was such a cool one as well. Some of the other makeup hacks, I feel like personally they did not work for me, such as the curler, the eyelash curler, because I didn't notice that much of a difference. But I really loved making this video. I feel like these type of videos where it's like makeup hacks or different types of TikTok hacks is cool because you get to try things that you normally would not, and you would probably like see and wonder how they do it. Like the nose contour, I definitely did not know how to contour my nose at all. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys love this type of videos or if you would want to see a part 2 of this or any type of TikTok hacks. I really enjoyed making this one for you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you would want to see more of me or if you like my personality. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.
Yeah.